Hello and welcome to the continuation of assembling a Pro Skateboard Part 2. We are glad to have you back on Awesome2956 and let's jump right into it. So for this complete deck, I am putting on Spitfire wheels, and they are glow in the dark wheels, which is another cool thing about them. I've always liked Spitfire, from their design to the way they're made and the quality of them. Now we're just gonna put some cheap ABAC 5 red bones or whatever on these. I do have flip bearings, the ABAC 7s, so for now I'm going to just put these ones on because this is what the store had. I had ordered the flip bearings online and they were reasonably priced, so I got those. So what my plan is that I'm going to wear these ones out first and then put on the flip bearings. Right now I'm having trouble focusing on this bearing. ABAC 3 and ABAC 5s are good bearings to start off with. If you're a seasoned skater, you've been skating for a while, ABAC 7s are pretty good too. Now on this bearing there's a part, there's a covered part, a shielded part, and then there's a an access part on it. So the shield part is the red part of it, and you want to put that facing out so that it shields the bearing from dust and debris. Over time, it's normal to find that your bearings slow down, they gunk up, they're not as good as they used to be when you first put them on, but that's normal. And on another video we will come back and I'll show you how to clean them out. So the best way I found to assemble bearings on your wheels is to place them into your wheels firmly and then put them onto the axle and then push down on each one side and then flip it and then push down on the other side. And it's always important to remember to put the washer on one side of the wheel and then on the other side. There's two washers that come on the axle with the nut. Right now you're seeing me tighten down the nut and it's too tight, and what happens when it's too tight is it doesn't roll freely. So you want to just make sure that it's not too loose, it's not too tight. You want to make sure that there's just a little bit of room for it to because I've had times when nuts were worn down and wheels fell off, and we're just repeating this process. It's a very simple process. Usually bearings come with a bearing spacer, and I don't know if that makes a difference in how long your bearings last or what, but pretty much what it is when you put the bearing on one side, there's a spacer that goes in between that and the other bearing. This one did not come with any spacers, bearing spacers, so I'm just applying it as is. And to tell you the truth, I've been riding and skating with without bearing spacers, and I don't see the difference, or I don't feel the difference. So we're pretty much just repeating all this. We're repeating this process throughout the whole, all 4 wheels. Now the tool I'm using is meant for skateboards. It has the right size and dimensions for the nuts. It also has a Phillips tool, and it's all compact. And right here, this is the bearings that I'm showing you, the flip bearings that I went out of my way to get because I really like these bearings. They're awesome. And they're very nice too. Nice looking. Anyways, but the tool is called the tool is made by Unit. That's what's on the tool. It's UNIT, and it's very compact, portable, and simple. That's all you need for if you're starting off on skating, and instead of carrying around a bunch of tools with you, you could just, get this. And I think it was under $15, so not bad. So at this point, I would like to thank you for joining me on AwesomeTube 956. Thank you for sticking around, supporting us, and we will see you on the next one. The next one, there is going to be a part 3, and there is going to be a tutorial on how to maintain your bearings, and just stick with us. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we upload any future videos. And we appreciate you watching, or we will see you on the next one. Bye.